So I hit up crazy CrazyLogoMaker.com, crazylogomaker.com. And then, as I was saying, you can go to the brand kit here if you want to build your brand, stuff like that. You get that here. If you want to make money, affiliate links, distribute the crazy, your money would go in there. Send you account I just opened just to show you guys. And then there's an affiliate link here in this section here. Yeah. And then it's the global points or whatever else. Money, earning, live time, real time. Quick payout dates, circulation time. There's 3 packages here. There's the OG lifetime pass, which I recommend. Right, the $97. Probably the best way to go. One time, or you don't have it right now. You can go and do a free thing, but you don't get that much options. Some of it's closed, and then you can get into the creator or the crazy one for monthly prices, which is fair. If you were Fiverr, a person that works on Fiverr, a Fiverr freelancer, you could probably get this 97 plan, and then make all your logos via prompt for all your clients, your client base, etc. Alright. Come over here to the studio. You have the studio here. And if you don't have know what to do, there's a lot of inspiration here also. Over here it says inspiration, need inspiration. Just click on that there and it gives you a drop-down menu of all the different premium prompts that you can add on to. So I'm gonna pretend like I'm normal Joe Louis and just adding something regular. Let's see if this works. Custom video, right? I'm gonna put something like to let's add on to this prompt. Let's gonna put tall toothpaste stick figure. Alright, let's start with that. Go karate. Alright. And then let's see. Come down here. Hit generate. And yeah, look at that. But that's how you do it. It would load up here. And then it would populate. And then your surplus logos or all the logos you made for the day or the month will go down here. Alright guys, I hope that was a help. And have a great day. And keep teching. Have a tech of the day.